Hey guys, good morning. I am Sarchita and welcome back to my channel. And this is Saturday, 22nd May. Oh, it's rhyming. Saturday, 22nd May. And this is going to be a very special day for me, guys. Better if I say this is going to be a most awaited day for me, as I am going to color my hair today. Oh my god. Let's take this in my hand. Now I'm looking cute. Actually, I decided to color my hair today 1 week ago, as I knew it will take a whole day. Not whole day, but it will take at least 5 to 6 hours. So I plan to color my hair on a Saturday, because there is no online classes on Saturday. Chutti. This is 10:30 and I woke up around at 9:30. So now I'll go to have my breakfast, and after that today I'll also have to wash my hair before dyeing. Also guys, I want you to know that I already have two tiny strips, highlighted strips here. Is it visible? And also here. I did it when I was in class 12. Actually, I was dying to dye my hair for really a very long time, but my mother doesn't allow.
Once you go to your college, then only you can color your hair.
So finally, today I am doing, guys, basically lockdown hai. I think it's a high time for doing this experiment. So yeah, I will catch you just after having my bath.
Few moments later.
Guys, welcome. Why shadows? So this is 1 p.m. sorry, and this is freaking hot, but we will have to shoot today without fan. But the thing is, now I'm going to call my sister, because I don't want to take a risk, you know, for the first time. Ba! Wait, बुलाती हूँ उसे.
अबे किधर है बे? Cut it! कहाँ है?
Finally, salon expert, famous 3D Smita Sharma is here with me. Ma'am, introduce yourself. Okay. Hey guys, I'm 3D Smita, and as she said, I am the today's salon expert.
और ज्यादा बकवास मत कर, सर पर 2 छाप बचे हैं ना, वो भी उखाड़ दूंगा.
So guys, moving to the point, she has bought 2 packets. Both are from Streaks. This is from Coffee Collection. The shade name is Cappuccino Brown, and this is the Vibrant Blonde. The problem is, एक में bleach करना पड़ता है और एक में नहीं. एक में नहीं क्यों? What's the difference? This packet consists 2 packets. हाँ. This is the color and cream and developer, and this is the blonder powder and developer. But this packet consists only 1 packet. Yeah, this one. This is the developer and this is the blonder powder. Okay. So इसमें सिर्फ ये 2 पैकेट्स है blonder. So that means what? इसमें सिर्फ एक स्टेप करना पड़ेगा और इसमें 2 स्टेप्स. Okay, let's start. तो एक बार फिर से बताओ ना, तुम कैसे करना चाहते हो? मैंने बताया था ना वो. मतलब I want Buddha colors to be highlighted. Okay. मतलब guys, I want an ombre effect and wait. This is my inspiration. This is my inspiration, guys. I don't know who is she. I got it on Pinterest. So कर पाओगे ना ये? I don't know. I can just try. If it goes wrong, please मत मारना हाँ.
ए सुल्तान, ए क्या कर रहा है? अबे.
ओए. हाँ. This is my last moment with my black hair. हाँ. I should post something on Instagram, no? खाली Instagram. Oh, कैमरा के सामने this is not fair, okay? कर लो जो करना. Ultimately, the bleaching part is same for both of the colors. So we can do the bleaching part first, okay? Gloves on. 2 mixing bowls, mixing brush, and aluminium foil. I am mixing the blonder and the developer. But the color is blue. इधर लिखा है ये वाला part surface and part surface, which actually bleaches the hair. Therefore, the color of part surface is blue. I think. No, it is. इतना कुछ बोला उसके बाद I think. So comb the hair properly so that tangles रह ना जाए. और for sectioning I'm using this tail comb. ऐसे ponytail और इसमें पूरा काला कर दूँगा. Guys, this is already 2 and I am done with my bleaching part and also I am looking horrible. Anyways, so my sister has told me to wait for around like half an hour. Only after that we will be able to do our step 2 and you can see all the strips are being like covered by aluminium foil papers. Wish me luck कि ये color अच्छे से आ जाए. Guys, just now I have received this parcel. This is from the app Shopzy and they have sent me some beauty products. So मैंने इसको अच्छे से sanitize कर लिया and also I did the unboxing. Suddenly I have decided to make a quick haul and basically I am waiting for 45 minutes. So let's see what they have sent to me. So the first product in the list is a set of lipstick. So there are 12 lipsticks inside. Actually they have sent me the whole set and this is from the brand Kiss Beauty. Wow, there are so many shades. Let's apply one. I think I'm gonna apply this one. This is the number 10 and this is a bullet lipstick. Also this is matte. The next product is this eyeshadow palette and this is from the brand Miss Rose and also here is written it is a shimmer eyeshadow palette. Let's open it. Oh, there are so many shades. There are 36 shades here. So let's try some shades right now. Let's take this shade, then this yellow one, okay, and this black one. Wow, see guys, it really has a good pigmentation. But guys, before recommending this one, I'll have to create a full makeup look. Also, as all the shades are shimmer, so I'll have to apply some other eyeshadows as well. So the next product they sent to me is a Blue Heaven primer. I know this primer from Blue Heaven is good. I have already tried it earlier. Nextly, they have sent me a set of this mascara and a pencil eyeliner. This is from the brand ITEX Dazzler. I have not tried this before, so we'll try it later. And guys, lastly they have sent me a facial sheet mask and a set of face pack. So firstly, this is a rose and orange peel face pack. This one is Neem and Tulsi anti-acne face pack. And last one is this Multani Mitti and turmeric brightening face pack. And these all are from the brand Ohio Natural and all the instructions how to use it all are written in the back. And again, this is a Gold Plus Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. So if you guys want to buy from this Shopzy app, then I will link down in my description box. There you will find a Sharchita Sharma's store and there you can buy the products.
Much later.
Guys, oh my god. So yes, I am done with my bleaching part. After bleaching, as I said, I waited for around 25 minutes and after that I washed my hair with shampoo and उसके बाद मैंने hair dry किए using my hair dryer क्योंकि air dry के लिए मेरे पास अब time नहीं है. So now I'm going to do the step 2. So let's begin. I think bleaching is nicely done. Wow. So I have mixed the color cream and the developer. This looks like this. Now I'm going to do the color. Not gonna color the whole part. I'll just do some strips in between. So let's start. So Ba, now I want to ask you one question. One of my friends asked me on WhatsApp actually. Bleaching करने से our hair gets damaged. Is it true? Yeah, obviously it's true. Because it's a chemical method of hair dyeing, right? So it stripes the color of your hair and basically it removes the natural melanin of your hair. That means your hair gets faded like this part. Understood? Basically क्या होता है कि too much bleaching of your hair can cause dryness of your hair. In short, it damages your hair. So make you ready. You wanted to do it. True. Guys, I am done. I hope आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगे. Let's see. Obsessed and quite happy with this look, you know. I'm just loving the color, guys. This is exactly that color what I wanted to do. So from the back it looks like this, and I have straightened my hair to show you the final look. This is actually Sunday and I dyed my hair yesterday, but कल क्या हुआ, बहुत रात हो गया, तो I wanted to show you my final look in daylight. So yes guys, that's it. I think my sister has done really a very good job. So thanks to her. Do let me know in the comment section, do you like my new look or not? And the little girls, don't dye your hair without getting permission from your mom, okay? So that's all about my today's vlog. I hope you loved it, and if you like my this video, then do not forget to hit the like button and also share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.
Tropical vibes are taking over.